Hi, this is Jaden from Cali Race. Today we're going to be installing our 14 to 21 Toyota Tundra tailgate theft protector. Hardware included for today's installation will be one tailgate theft protector, one security bit, and one security bolt. The tool you will need for today's installation is an H4 hex head bit. To start off, we're going to take our H4 hex head bit and remove this bolt right here. We've already gone ahead and done that, so I'm just going to take it out now. Next, you're going to take your tailgate theft protector, put it in place on the passenger side. Next, you'll put in your security bolt. You can hand tighten it in. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Check out CaliRaisedLED.com for more accessories like this one.